Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to put up sliding door blinds. First, measure the door opening precisely and confirm inside or outside mount. Next, gather tools like drill, level, tape measure, and appropriate screws. Pick blinds rated for sliding doors and check the headrail type for compatibility. Clear the working area and remove obstacles. I'll walk you step by step through marking, drilling, mounting brackets, and hanging the blind so it operates smoothly. Begin by holding the headrail up to the sliding door and mark bracket locations with a pencil using a level. Measure equal distances from each edge to ensure symmetry and mark both sides precisely. Pre-drill pilot holes at the marks to prevent wood or drywall splitting and to guide screws. Loosely attach brackets and recheck the level, then tighten screws fully once alignment is perfect to ensure smooth blind operation and long-term stability. With brackets secure, snap the blind headrail into place and confirm it clicks and locks. Operate the blind slowly several times to check for smooth sliding and that panels track evenly. Adjust bracket depth or alignment if the blind drags. Attach any end stops or safety clips and route cords or pulls according to manufacturer instructions. Finish by installing the valance or cover and trimming excess material so the installation looks neat and functions reliably for daily use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.